attendant operator, architectural draftsman, draftsman civil, draftsman mechanical, electrician, electronics mechanic, information and communication technology system maintenance, instrument mechanic, instrument mechanic chemical plant, laboratory assistant chemical plant, machinist grinder, machinist, marine fitter, maintenance mechanic, mechanic motor vehicle, painter, refrigeration and air conditioning technician, surveyor, tool and die maker, technician medical electronics, turner, wireman, fitter. ITI સંલગ્ન તમામ માહિતી માટે ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો. જલ્દી મળીશું નવા વિડીયોમાં.